This certainly comes across as a big relief for the Aam Aadmi Party, as the former Deputy Chief Minister of the National Capital, Manish Sisodia, has now been granted bail by the Supreme Court. Remember, in the hearing that took place earlier in the day, Supreme Court came down heavily on the Enforcement Directorate as well as the Central Bureau of Investigation as far as the delay in the trial is concerned. That was one of the primary reasons cited by the Supreme Court for basically granting bail to Manish Sisodia, whereas the Supreme Court once again highlighting the fact that bail is not an exception. Take a look at this report.
After spending over 17 months in jail for alleged irregularities in Liquorgate, former Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia has been granted bail by the Supreme Court and is set to walk free from Tihar jail. During the hearing, the CBI and ED had sought to impose bail conditions similar to those imposed on Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, but the court refused the plea. The bench observed that keeping Sisodia in jail without a trial was a violation of his fundamental rights. The bench further said there was no possibility of evidence tampering since all documents were with probing agencies. The Supreme Court bench also made a scathing charge, observing that High Court and Trial Court were playing it safe in terms of bail. Justice Gavai stated that it was high time that the courts realize that bail is a rule and jail is an exception. However, the Supreme Court has also imposed certain conditions on Sisodia's bail. The top court has directed Sisodia to submit his passport and furnish a 10 lakh bail bond along with depositing 2 sureties, and directed the AAP leader, who is now out on bail, to not influence witnesses in connection to the Liquorgate probe. The Aam Aadmi Party is in celebratory mode.
ये सत्य की जीत हुई है और मैंने जैसा पहले से कहा कि इस मामले में कोई भी तथ्य, कोई भी सत्यता नहीं थी। जबरदस्ती हमारे नेताओं को पकड़ पकड़ के जेल में रखा गया। मनीष सिसोदिया जी को 17 महीने तक जेल में रखा गया। क्या भारत के प्रधानमंत्री उनके जीवन के इन 17 महीनों का हिसाब देंगे? क्या भारतीय जनता पार्टी उनके इन जीवन के 17 महीनों का हिसाब देगी?
The AAP is calling it a victory of the truth.
मनीष सिसोदिया जी 17 महीने जेल में रहने के बाद आज उनकी जमानत हुई है। ये सत्य की विजय है। ये दिखाता है कि भगवान के घर में देर है लेकिन अंधेर नहीं है। मनीष सिसोदिया जी को एक झूठे मुकदमे में फंसाया गया।
The BJP meanwhile has hit back sharply, reminding the AAP that bail doesn't mean acquittal.
इस बेल का अर्थ क्या है? मैं जानती हूं कि आज आम आदमी पार्टी के ऑफिस में हर्षोल्लास का माहौल है, स्वाभाविक सी बात है, लेकिन आपके माध्यम से जो वो बार बार जनता को भ्रमित करने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं, उस भ्रम को जरा मैं दूर कर दूं। इसका अर्थ ये नहीं है कि सिसोदिया जी अपराध मुक्त हैं, वो अभी भी अभियुक्त हैं और उनकी जवाबदेही कोर्ट ऑफ लॉ में बनेगी दिल्ली की जनता के साथ विश्वासघात करने की।
Will Arvind Kejriwal walk out next? The Aam Aadmi Party is jubilant. The big question is, will Arvind Kejriwal walk out next?